What's up viewers, Jadel here, and I'm back. Finally got my computer working again. Had a week of issues with my desktop. Basically my keyboard stopped working, and no matter what I did, as far as trying to fix it, nothing happened. And had a mate of mine who came through and said I had a corrupted Windows operating system, so I had to do a clean install. And I hate clean installs. I've got a lot of software on my computer for work and things, and I've had to reinstall it all, and it's painful. So I'm back now, and I've got everything working. And this is my next video. This is part 4 of Slime Fun of the cargo management. So let's get stuck in today, and we'll go through it. Should be a quick one because I'm just going to tell you about all the faults that I found in the system. So let's get stuck into it, shall we? Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is these advanced output nodes. They work really good, and what happens is if you put something in here once you've built it, say like a block of wood, and you go away and you do whatever you need to do, and you want to find that you want to put something else in this chest, and you want to add to the filter of this, like another set of blocks, that won't actually stay there. I think it has something to do with the saving of the blocks or something in the config file. I can't find the problem with it, but what I usually found was when I came back after a little while and I had a look at the chest again, that block would always disappear, or if I've changed it. So basically, whatever you put in there first, after you've set the block, you put that in there. That's the only thing that can go in there. Now, to get around that, all I did was break the block and place it back on and reset it again, and put whatever else you wanted to in there. Once you did that, everything worked fine. So that was one of the little glitches that I found with the output node. The input node does it sometimes. It might lose it, not as often as the output node, but again, same thing I did, just break the block and then reset it to what you want to do. Yeah, it's something to do with the save. I don't know what it is, and that's what happens. Now, that's the main issue with that. Everything else really works like clockwork. It's quite good. The only other thing is the filtering system. So the thing I found is if you grab some stone, let me just empty this hot bar. If you try and filter stone, granite, diorite, and andesite, okay, they're all compatible. So if you put stone in here, and then you come over here and throw a piece of granite in there, see it disappear? Okay, it'll be in here. So it doesn't actually recognize each specific type of stone. Now, what I'm going to try here right now is I'm going to try putting stone in each of these. I think I have a bit of a workaround here with this. So I'm going to put a stone in all 4 of those. Notice I've just I'll break that block, and I'll put a new one up when I do this. The reason being is it won't save. So just put it up there, put the stone in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the entire chest with one layer of stone. Like this. This might be the only way around it for this to work. And then I'm going to cover each one of these with different types of granite. Okay. Now what I'll do is I will come out of there, and I'll just throw the remainder of the stuff into the chests in here, and we'll see where it ends up going. Okay, it all disappeared, and there it is, went in there. So this seems to be the way to do it. But really, if you do it this way, you don't need to put a filter in any of these. The only reason you need to put a filter in there is to get the block through into the chest. So that's a filter. That's a rough filter system, but a way to do it to filter out there. The other thing it doesn't mix is your trees. All your trees and all your wood, they all go into the one filter. No matter what sort of wood you put in there, it'll go straight through into that chest. Same for your trees and also your leaves as well. They don't filter out. And the other one that doesn't filter out is all your fish. I've noticed at this stage your fish don't filter out, so you try and use a fish bot on it, all the fish will go into one tray, one output node, and it won't matter, it won't filter. And that's all I found for this particular cargo management system. They're the bugs and the fixes, and so if you just get past those, check on your stuff regularly, it'll be fine, and it all works really well. So it's a really good system, and so yeah, enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this last tutorial. I'm going to do another one which links closely to the cargo management, and that's the some of the advanced machines that I've set up for this side, and I'll show you how I set up a set of machines to work, so you get nothing but cobble into a machine, and out of it comes all of the dusts. I've got a setup for that, and I'll show you how to do that. Other than that, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye for now.